Question number 19. A linear graph is given to us and x-axis is about number of m-type stars and y-axis is about number of k-type stars. Okay. A certain open star cluster contains m-type stars and k-type stars. The estimated total mass of m-type at k-type stars in this open star clusters is this much of quetagrams. The graph shows models for the possible combinations of number of m-type stars S and k-type stars Y that could be in this open star cluster if all the m-star type stars have the same estimated mass. See, this seems to be a very lengthy information, but let's break it. First information, let's break it into informations. It's about number of stars. M-type stars are on the x-axis and k-type stars on the y-axis. Graph is given only about numbers, but here information is about mass. No information in the graph about mass. So this is something extra. But yes, it's a piece of information. Let's keep it aside. Okay. Same estimated mass and all the k-type stars have same estimated mass. That means every k star and every m star type has a same mass, right? Based on the graph, which of the following is closest to the estimated mass in quetagrams of each m-type stars in the cluster? Okay. Now, if I see this question, it has nothing to do directly with the graph. But what is asked? M-type graphs. No question about K-type graph, right? It is about number of m-type graphs. So why not take this point where the number of k stars are 0, right? So if I find the coordinates of this, it is approximately 158 and 0, right? Because question says, now how will you guess? Question is only asking about m-type stars. So what we are doing, we are trying to find the x-intercept, right? Where k-type stars are 0. And x-intercept here is 158. So that means when there are 158 m-type stars, k-type stars are 0. Now, we have to answer the mass, not the number, right? From here, we can guess that if 158 m stars have this much of mass, because total mass is this, right? So 158 m-type stars have mass of, what is the mass? 127,882 quetagrams. So what will be the mass of one m-type star? That means we will divide it by 158 and it's approximately 811, right? That is a wonderful question. Initially you will think, oh my God, where is the information in the graph about the mass? But there is no such thing. But when you reached at the end of the question, that means we have to talk only about m-type stars. So some extra concept is needed here, that mass is given and we have to find the mass of the one m-type graph. I hope that question is, you have understood this. It's a little bit different, but yes, a wonderful one.